We're Laura and Brian, better known as a couple of Quins. We love our city of Dayton, old houses, and dogs.
We bought a fixer-upper during the pandemic and have been taking our time with the restoration.
But with winter ahead, it's time to turn up the heat.
We've officially accepted the one-room challenge to turn this house into an Airbnb in just 8 short weeks.
But can we finish on time?
The joys of home ownership.
We hope you'll follow along to see what's next.
Welcome back, everybody. We are on week 7 of the one room challenge. If you've been following us along, then you know that it is our goal to finish up the Fed in 8 weeks. We are on week 7 of 8, which means this is our very last video before the big reveal next week. So we have our work cut out for us. We're feeling a little tired, feeling a little sore, definitely drained. At least they have energy. But we still have quite a few things to do, so we're not giving up yet.
At this point, we've gotten, I think, just about everything painted. There's a couple of little things, like it's really hard to see, but there's a shutter hardware piece right here that's still white.
There's a piece of the front porch, too.
Piece of the front porch. Oh, yeah. That's my fault. There's a little part of the front porch that's not painted. But the big window in the center, that thing has been a bit of a nightmare. You saw me scraping it yesterday. Now today I'm going to be up there again. Once again out in the cold, sitting on a weird little roof chunk. Uneven and super uncomfortable. I learned yesterday. I had to get myself a pad. I've got to scrape off the excess paint today. And then I'm going to do some of the glazing. Still waiting on one pane of glass. I'll probably be out here on the roof all day again today. Yay.
I'm getting ready to start a new project. I'm working on the outside of this door. I'm already feeling a little scared. So, should I fall and die? Scott, you get all my mid-century modern stuff. And Meg, you can have my naked lady statue. Here we go. Yikes. So this is my first time really even looking at how bad this is up close. And it looks pretty bad. Primer is on. We've got an hour of dry time before I can top coat it. Let's go see what Brian's up to.
Just got the last one done. It took me all day. I'm out of here.
Here is the finished door. Got it all painted outside too.
We're digging it out a bit so that we can put some of these concrete slabs back in there to just use as fill dirt. Yeah, we're going to bust them up and fill them over with the excess dirt. But keep finding random pieces of trash like, you know, broken saucer and a random key from like the 90s that doesn't fit any of our locks. It's kind of interesting.
Another thing that we've done in the past couple weeks is replace the electrical panel. Obviously, we did not do this work ourselves. We hired electricians, but the old box had been replaced at some point in time, probably, I don't know, maybe 90s, early 2000s, but they didn't replace the exterior electrical service, which is the like bundle of wires that come into the house. And because of that, water was leaking and kind of making its way down those wires and into the box and completely rusted it out. So this is all new. It's all new on the outside. Good to go. The rest of the basement, however, is not going to be finished. It's not part of the challenge. This is going to be a completely separate project. We'll maybe tackle this January, February timeframe, maybe even later. Who knows? I feel like we need a break at this point, so maybe it'll be in a year or two. We'll see.
I still have a mullet and a Fu Manchu because I don't know what to do, but I do know neither one's really me. Now I just have no idea what to do with the rest of it. Just taking it off, all of it.
Whoa! That wasn't my fault.
Uh-huh.
It wasn't me. All right, well, I'm just gonna use this to clean up the line anyway. You know how much you love it when I do this.
I think that'll do.
we are back at the Fed for another day. The weather is perfect. Brian has been working out back all day on the back patio, and we are finally pouring the concrete. So it's been a little bit crazy trying to get all the supplies, getting the forms in place. They put rebar in, and Brian's dad is here helping as well. So let's go check it out.
Yeah, don't breathe that stuff in.
I know. That's why I got my sweatshirt like this. When I came around the corner, it was like a cloud. It's looking really good. We've got the cheering squad over here.
Here's where we are so far. You can see there's still just a little bit to go. We were so close with how many bags we had, but yeah, I think we need about 4 more bags, so I sent Laura to get 8 more. Never know. That's better.
Did you want to just do one direction like that, or do you want to put a swirl on it?
I don't know.
One direction.
One direction.
I'm not a swirl kind of person.
No. I don't think either one of us is. All right.
Oh, is that what that tool's for? Like creates the corner?
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. So we ended up working super late here last night. The camera battery actually died when we were mid-filming, so we didn't get to show you any updates. So I'm here now. We've got it covered up with the tarp. Oh, screwed down. I'll try over here. So far it looks pretty good. It's drying out. It feels mostly dry to the touch already. And I'm just excited to have this project done. This was one of the most stressful projects because we've never done concrete work before. It's kind of one shot and you're done. If you mess it up, there's no redoing it. And also we were up against the timetable of the weather. We had to get it done before the cold weather arrives. So we have a couple nice days left, and then this weekend, I think Sunday, it's supposed to get really cold, and then next week it's looking like it's gonna be warm again. So that will help with the cure time of the concrete and getting all of that wrapped up. So hope it goes well. Here's another little peek at it. Looks pretty good. Might be a little rough here around the edges, but I'm definitely not complaining. I think it looks great. It's certainly better than it was. The main thing is that the water will run off of it and not run into the basement, which it was doing before. That's it for this week's episode of Couple of Quins. We hope to see you next week, where we're going to be showing off the entire house. It's finally finished and we could not be more excited. We hope to see you then.